Hey there, Dr. G, back again. How do you fix a toxic relationship? That's what everybody wants to know. I'm in this crap. How do I fix it? How do I get my partner to change? You don't. You can't. The only person you can control or change is you. Your toxic partner is only going to change if they see a problem with their behavior or if they want to change. They are fully capable of change. Hear me when I say they are fully capable of change. You just might not be the one for whom they want to change. I know, it sucks. Doesn't sound pleasant, but it could very well be the truth. You can't change someone who doesn't want to be changed. And if they don't see a problem with their behavior or how they treat you, they have no reason or incentive to change. You can't change someone because you love them. They change themselves because they love you. Meaning, if they don't change themselves and stop hurting you, they don't love you. Yeah, I get it. It sucks. You don't want to hear that. But if that's the reality in which you're living, you need to accept it and figure out what you're going to do about it. Because you have a choice. People who want to make their relationships work will move mountains to keep the one they love. Trust me when I say they will move mountains. They will do whatever it takes to keep that person and save their relationship. So if your toxic partner is not working very hard to keep you, to make you happy, or to save your relationship, that is a clear indicator that they are not invested. If somebody wants you in their life, they will make an inviting space for you. You shouldn't have to beg or fight for a space in their life, especially a space that does not feel good. If they seriously want to be a part of your life, they will seriously make an effort to meet your needs and value your worth. No excuses. They will make no excuses. They will do what they need to do to keep you happy, to meet your needs, and to keep you wanting to be with them. So, if they're not doing that, that tells you something too. If you want to improve your relationship with a toxic partner, you have to be willing to leave the relationship if nothing changes. I know that's not what you wanted to hear, but let me say it again. If you want to improve your relationship with a toxic partner, you have to be willing to leave the relationship if nothing changes. If you are unwilling to leave the relationship, you have very limited power available to you. Your toxic partner will know ultimately, regardless of what they do, that you really won't leave. And then you've lost all leverage. So before you attempt to confront a toxic partner, make sure that your self-esteem and self-confidence are good enough for you to know that you will be all right if they end the relationship with you. or if you have to end it with them. If you are not there yet, if your self-esteem and self-confidence are not strong enough to handle them walking away or you having to walk away, then I strongly urge you to get a therapist to talk to, get some help, and or join a codependency group to be amongst other people who have dealt with what you're dealing with. Because this comes down to life or death. Emotionally, life or death. And if you are not willing to save yourself, it's like blood in the water for the sharks. Because at that point, the toxic partner knows that they've got you. No matter what they do, no matter how horrible they treat you, no matter how little they participate in the relationship, they know you're not going anywhere and you have lost all your power.